I love the program. And now I feel like I'm set up for success. I feel like I've gotten every tool. She doesn't just teach you how to garden. She teaches you how to market, how to sell, how to get clients. Then on top of that, she challenges you to get out there and do it. Hi there, my name is JoJami Tyler. I'm from Las Vegas, Nevada, and my name of my company is The Essential Garden. So my specialties right now are my consults and my workshops, and I'm also doing garden tours because I'm a master gardener. I have to go back to my grandmother. She was the first person that was always collecting all the goodies for the compost pile. So I was learning about compost piling for a very long time. And then when I actually started my own garden, I was a young mother in Wilmington, Delaware, and I actually started off with a big pot of marigolds that looked beautiful the first year, and then the second year died. And I was like, what happened? And I realized it's the soil that is bad. So I actually really got into composting. So I love to compost, and then that sort of led into really my love of gardening. And I got some land, and after that, I moved to Las Vegas, which is a totally different atmosphere where I was. I was back east in Delaware, and now I'm in the desert. So another fail in the desert. And so I thought I better get some education on that. So I became a master gardener. And then I was so hooked, and I thought I had to do something more than just that. I would say the biggest one since I've become a consultant, which has been basically 2 months now, Nicole really encouraged us to just get out there. Don't even feel like you're ready. Just get out there, meet as many people as you can, book as many consults as you can, book workshops, do anything you can to get yourself out there. And that's what I've done. And that has been such a confidence builder because I've had some yeses. I've already booked workshops. I've booked a couple of garden tours. And all of a sudden, this one garden tour, I just threw it out there to about 5 people, and 11 people showed up. I was blown away. I thought, if your odds are you throw it out there to 5 people and maybe 2 will come, but instead it doubled. So that's my big win, I would say, is seeing the people that are already lit up about what I'm doing that hopefully I can be helping them with. I've been around the block a few times. I've taken a lot of courses. I cannot tell you how much this course has been so easy to do. It's been organized. It's over-delivered. It's been such a joy to watch Nicole be so passionate about what she does and share her knowledge with us. You can't go wrong with this. I don't even know if there's anything else like it out there. I mean, I don't think there is. I haven't seen anything, but it was an easy decision for me because when you feel confident that Nicole knows what she's doing, we know she's had so much experience in the past and she's proven it. She walks the walk. I love the program. And now I feel like I'm set up for success. I feel like I've gotten every tool. She doesn't just teach you how to garden. She teaches you how to market, how to sell, how to get clients. Then on top of that, she challenges you to get out there and do it. So, I mean, this has just been the best. I'm just so happy with this program. And even though I'm very new at it, I'm already seeing that what she's teaching really works. So if somebody was thinking about this program, I would say, don't even hesitate. Just do it, because you're going to be in good hands with Nicole, and you're going to be surrounded with all her wonderful people that she's brought on and all the other consultants. We've got so much support in this group. There's such a loving support group. It's not competitive. It's just full of passionate gardeners. Why someone should hire me is that I do bring 30 years of gardening experience. I've had master garden training, and best of all, I've had gardenary training, which sets everybody up for success. I'm going to be able to give you the tools to have a successful garden, and that's what it's all about. It's about getting out there, enjoying your garden, and having success. It's a lot harder to garden in the desert, but it is possible, and that's what I'm here to help you with. So you can find me at jojami.com, JoJami.com, or at theessentialgarden.com.